Arbitrage funds are gaining significant traction lately. These funds basically take advantage of the price discrepancies in the spot and future market to offer risk-free profit opportunities. A simple example to understand this would be you buy a stock of ABC Limited in the spot market at rupees 1000 and sell it at rupees 1100 in the future market, earning a profit of rupees 100. This net gain of rupees 100 remains constant irrespective of change in the spot market. Let's take 3 cases to understand what happens on the day of expiry. In case 1, suppose the spot price is 900. Now, since the price initially was 1000, you make a loss of 100 in the spot market and a profit of 200 in the future market, and hence the net gain is rupees 100. In the second case, suppose the spot price remains unchanged. It is the same case as we discussed in the beginning. You break even in the cash market and make a profit of rupees 100 in the future market. The last and final case, let's assume the spot price to be 1200. So now the stock is trading at a profit of rupees 200 and a loss of rupees 100 in the future market, hence the net gain is rupees 100. Unlike traditional investments that require long-term investment horizon, arbitrage funds often deliver quick profits. They maintain a low risk profile and net zero equity exposure, making them tax efficient and resilient to market volatility, often outperforming debt in post-tax returns. Let's take an example to see how arbitrage funds provide better post-tax returns as compared to debt. Suppose you invest rupees 1 lakh in an arbitrage fund and a debt fund at 7.5%, subject to different tax brackets. We see that arbitrage earns a post-tax return of 6.88% compared to debt, which earns 6.49%. So they do offer better post-tax returns. Being suitable in various market conditions, arbitrage funds provide stable returns over a 6 to 12 month period, and they are also very useful when it comes to maintaining emergency reserves, achieving financial goals, and also meeting short-term liquidity needs. Despite their occasional unpredictable payoffs, arbitrage funds continue to remain a compelling choice for investors because of their low risk and tax efficient returns. So add them to your diversified portfolio for a balanced investment strategy. If you'd like to know more about arbitrage funds, write to us at info.ithought.co.in.